morning. This is me again. There's a reason why I look like this. Remember I told you guys that my phone fell down the other time, so I went to fix it. But the problem is, I still told you people that the guy that repaired the phone, he cheated me and cheats me hands down. So I don't want to maybe look all flashy and all that, so that he will not say, okay, this one have money, and maybe start exploiting me the more. Because ever since he fixed the phone, it's from one problem to another. So good morning. So as it stands now, I'm going back to him. This is like for the third time to see if he can fix the phone very well. I'm not going to show you his face, but the essence of this video is so that you all will know that I don't think it's proper for someone to exploit somebody or to cheat somebody. So I'm going looking simple like this, so that when he sees me, he'll say, okay, this local woman has come again. But I'll make sure I look at what he's doing very well, so that he doesn't spoil the phone the more or look for a way to exploit and take my money. Come along, let's go. It's going to be an interesting piece. The essence of walking, it can't be overemphasized. So I'm going to be walking down to the guy's shop now. So come with me and let's go. Let's hope we'll see something interesting along the way. These are people going about their daily activities. Most of them are going to drop their kids in school. Today is Monday. Beginning of the week, so everybody's busy rushing to drop their kids in the school and rushing to work. Going to the guy's shop is quite a distance. I don't even like going there. If I have to take the phone to him now. What he did, it's not working fine. And the phone is opening. It's dividing into two. I don't want a situation whereby the phone will divide into two now and I won't be able to use it again. So I just have to take the phone back to him. Still walking down. Hello. Exercising is good for the health. So this is a welcome exercise. It's not that the sun is up. I would have been jogging, so walk a bit, jog a bit. Walk a bit, jog a bit. Those that are just joining me now, my phone fell down a couple of weeks back, and I took it to the person that fixed the phone for me. Unfortunately for me, I met the wrong repairer, but he cheated me hands down, and he collected my money for doing practically nothing. So that aside, since then, the phone has been giving me issues. So I've gone back to him. He did what he did. The phone is still giving me issues. So now I'm going back to him to see if he can fix it again. I'm not going to show you people his face, but please, if you work with your hands, let's be honest with what we are doing. Let's be honest. It's not easy for people out there. Cheating somebody out of his or her hard-earned money is not pleasant at all. Thank you. So I'm going on foot because exercising is good for the health. Brisk walking. Brisk walk. A Monday morning. Good morning. Happy New Day. Happy New Week to you all. Have a good day. These are people going about their day-to-day activities. It's still morning, so most of them are probably going to drop their kids in school. Then they'll now rush to work. Yes. Still on it. Walking down to the guy's shop. Come with me. It's walking. That's a loss. nurses. Off to the phone repairer's shop. Going about their daily activities. Almost at the guy's shop. Stay tuned. I'm not going to fight him. No. I'm just going to tell him that, see the challenge I'm having with the phone, and that he should please help me to fix it. I've already paid for it. Oops, I didn't come out with any money. Hope he won't ask me to pay extra fees. Come out with any money. Actually, I didn't really plan to go to his shop today. When I saw that the setting was right, I just, on impulse, I was just like, what if I go to his shop today? There's no need procrastinating. What if I keep procrastinating now by within the next maybe second or minute or hour, the phone now goes so bad that I can't even use it again. That's why they say stitching time saves 9. I think I'm doing the right thing. Let me just go and meet him. If I'm lucky, he'll fix it for me without collecting any money, because I didn't even come out with any money. I'm almost there. Whoops! It's always difficult crossing this road. These days I'm not good at crossing road. I keep hopping like a chicken. And let's see how it goes. They crossed them. I was about to start running. I have to wait. Wow. Can't cross them. I have to wait for them to. where you see phone accessories. Those that want to buy phone, you get it from this area. Then the other wing is the repairer's shop. This place is where you can buy your phone or your phone accessories. This is the repairer's shop now. Weather is not looking really bright. Maybe it's going to rain. I'm almost there.
Right.
We are here. Good morning. Remember me?
Yes.
The phone still dey open. I don't know. Na time when I no get to take come, I for don come since. The thing dey open from that up when you change the IC. E dey open.